Today we find ourselves using Windows for almost everything, which is why it's essential to learn the Windows shortcuts so you don't find yourself taking the long route. I'll be listing every window and Chrome shortcut I find useful with a brief showcase of its function. Without further ado, let's begin. Control, Windows and D. This Windows shortcut will create a new separate desktop where you can run applications or games. You can switch between desktops by using Control, Windows, and then right or left on the arrow keys. Alternatively, you could use Windows and Tab to view the current open desktops at the top of the screen. Windows and semicolon. This Windows shortcut will launch the Emoji Keyboard. This is much quicker than manually copying from websites, and you can also select emoticon faces or special symbols in the list of options. Shift, Windows and T. This useful browser shortcut will reopen recently deleted tabs. It can be used to bring back tabs you accidentally deleted, even if they're from different Chrome windows. Shift, Windows and S. This easy to use shortcut will open the Windows snipping tool. You can easily draw or save a screenshot with the tool or paste it in any document with Ctrl V. Windows and Q. There's a quicker way to search for folders, documents or emails than just looking through File Explorer, which can often be quite slow. This shortcut will open the Windows search function, a much quicker method for searching. Windows and V will show your clipboard history and allow you to paste things you previously copied. Before you can use this, you have to enable clipboard history in your settings. You can use the keyboard shortcut Windows and I to get to Windows settings, search clipboard settings and make sure clipboard history is turned on. Now, when you use Windows and V, it should show the recently copied text or pictures. Windows and R will open up the run prompts and can be used for all sorts of commands. For example, I can test Google's connection by typing in pinggoogle.com in the run prompts. Windows and D. This shortcut will minimize all programs and save the positions so you're left with your desktop. Press the keyboard shortcut again and it will return everything where it last was. There are a number of keyboard shortcuts made just for YouTube. Some of the most useful include J for going backwards 10 seconds, K for pausing, or L for going forward 10 seconds. Additionally, you can go forward one frame with the greater than key, or speed up the playback of the video with Shift and the greater than key. Within Windows, some applications are binded to certain keyboard shortcuts. You should at least know the most commonly used ones, which are Windows and E for Windows Explorer, Control, Shift, Escape for Task Manager, and Windows and N for OneNote. To end off this video, I'll give you one bonus tip. When you leave your computer around other people, make sure you use Windows and L. The reason this is standard practice in most businesses is that it locks the computer, so no one snoops around while you leave it alone. Did you know all of these, or have some shortcuts of your own? Comment them down below. Also, all the shortcuts will be down below in the description, so check that out if you want to go back and see which shortcuts you liked most.